Namaste, myself JVN Professor K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, subject Animal Diversity, and the topic is Water Vascular System in Starfish. Water vascular system in starfish, the Asterias. The water vascular system is a modified part of the coelom. Modified part of coelom and consists of a sea water filled canals having certain capsules. It play most vital role in the locomotion of the animal की movement के अंदर and comprises madreporite stone canal, ring canal, radial canal, Tideman bodies, lateral canal and tube feeds. ठीक है कि जो मॉडिफाइड पार्ट है सीलोम का जिसके अंदर सी वाटर फील्ड कैनाल्स हैं हैविंग सर्टेन कार्पसेल्स और इसका लोकोमोशन के अंदर मेन रोल है. इसके डिफरेंट पार्ट्स हैं एंड द फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस दिस इज द वाटर वेस्कुलर सिस्टम. Pentagonal ring canal having the Tideman bodies. There is only one Tideman body where the stone canal या madreporite is attached. These are the tube feeds. Tube feeds के different ampulla, podium and suckers. These are the form the tube feeds. This is the pentagonal ring canal. This is the radial canal and the lateral canal which join the tube feeds. Let us discuss one by one, and the first is the madreporite. Madreporite. This structure the madreporite is a rounded calcareous plate occurring on the arboreal surface of the central disc at the interradial position. बीच में जो रेडियल पोजीशन है उसके बीच में interradial position. Its surface bears a number of radiating narrow, straight and wavy grooves. Each furrow contain many minute pores at the bottom. Each pore leads into a very short, fine tubular pore canal which passes inward in the substances of the madreporite. There may be about 200 pores and the pore canals. The pore canal unite to form the collecting canal which open into the ampulla beneath the madreporite. Okay, this is the नीचे आपके ampulla. इसके अंदर खोलेंगी जो ampulla के नीचे प्रेजेंट है. इसके बाद सेकेंड इज द स्टोन कैनाल. मैड्रीपोराइट के जस्ट नीचे है स्टोन कैनाल. द एम्पुला ओपन इनटू ए S-shaped stone canal. The canal extend downward and open into a ring canal. Pentagonal ring canal open into the ring canal by a series of calcareous rings. Lumen of the stone canal is lined with tall flagellated cells. The stone canal remain a simple tube in the young Asterias, but in the adult Asterias, lumen of the stone canal possess a prominent ridge with two spiral rolled lamellae. इसके बाद थर्ड इज द रिंग कैनाल. Ring canal. This is the ring canal. Ring canal या water ring is located to the inner side of the peristomial ring of ossicles and directly above to the hyponeural ring sinus. It is wide and pentagonal, यानी कि 5 sides, 5 sides होती हैं. और आपके stone canal open into the ring canal. It also bears the Tideman bodies. Then the next is Tideman bodies. Tideman's body. The ring canal give out interradially small yellowish irregular rounded glandular bodies called racemose or Tideman bodies. 9. These are the 9 in the number. Tideman bodies from its इनर मार्जिन के जो रिंग कैनाल है, रिंग कैनाल के इनर मार्जिन के ऊपर कितनी है? 9 ग्लैंडुलर बॉडीज हैं इरेगुलर स्मॉल, जिनको आप रेसिमोस या टाइडमैन बॉडी भी बोल सकते. द एक्चुअल फंक्शन ऑफ द टाइडमैन बॉडी इज स्टिल अननोन. However, they are supposed to be lymphatic gland to manufacture the amoebocytes of the water vascular system. कि एक्चुअली इनका फंक्शन नहीं पता है, लेकिन इसको क्या मानते हैं कि दीज आर द लिम्फेटिक ग्लैंड है, ये कह रहे हैं सर, लिम्फेटिक ग्लैंड्स टू मैन्युफैक्चर किसको? अमीबोसाइट्स. Amoebocytes to the water vascular system. And then fifth is the Polian vesicles. Polian vesicles. The ring canals give off on its outer side in the interradial position 1, 2 or 4 little pear-shaped thin-walled contractile bladders, reservoirs with long neck called Polian vesicles. They are supposed to regulate the pressure inside the ambulacral system and to manufacture amoeboid cells of ambulacral system. प्रेशर मेंटेन करने के लिए आपके पोलियन वेसिकल्स हैं. इसके बाद 6th आता है, that is the radial canal. Radial canals. From its outer surface the ring canal gives off a radial canal. ये आपकी रेडियल कैनाल्स हैं. हर जगह से 5 साइड 5 रिंग्स, पेंटागोनल है तो 5 जगह से ये आपकी रिंग कैनाल्स इमर्ज हुई हैं. रेडियल. From its outer surface, ring canal gives off a radial water canal into each arm that run through the length of the arm and terminate as the lumen of the terminal tentacles. Last तक हैं आपकी. In the arm, the radial water canal run immediately to the oral side of the ambulacral muscles. इसके बाद 7th, that is the lateral canal. Lateral canal, this one. In each arm the radial canal give out 2 series of short narrow transverse branches called lateral या podial canals भी आप कह सकते हो. Each lateral canal attached to the base of the tube foot and it's provided with a valve to prevent backward flow of fluid into the radial canal. यहाँ पे एक वॉल्व भी प्रेजेंट होती है और ये ट्यूब फिट से अरेंज होती है ताकि वाटर इसके अंदर वापस ना जाए. एंड लास्ट, दिस इज द ट्यूब फिट. एज ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड, देयर आर 4 row of tube fit in each ambulacral groove. Tube fit is a hollow, elastic, thin-walled, closed cylinder, a sac-like structure. This is the tube fits, having an upper sac like ampulla, a middle tubular podium and the lower disc like sucker. Ampulla lie within the arm, projecting into the coelom above the ambulacral pore, which is a gap between the adjacent ambulacral ossicle for the passage of the podium. Tube feet are the chief locomotory and respiratory organ of the Asteriasis. Then what are the function of the water vascular system? Function क्या है? Functions of the water vascular system. फर्स्ट है इसका लोकोमोशन में हेल्प करता है भाई, लोकोमोशन. वाटर वेस्कुलर सिस्टम इज यूज्ड मेनली फॉर द लोकोमोशन. Inner wall of the water vascular canal are provided with the cilia. Beating of cilia causes the sea water to enter through the madreporite. Madreporite के through water enter into the. Finally the sea water reaches the tube feet and their ampulla. यहाँ पहुंचेगा. ठीक है. Ampulla contract wall at the junction of the lateral canal and tube feet prevent the flow of water into radial canals. Water is forced into the podia. Podia are elongated and protected out through the ambulacral groove. Then the suckers are applied to the substratum. Tube feet now contract and push the body forward. Water from the tube feet is pushed into the ampulla, hence tube feet shorten. Suckers are released, then the ampulla contract and the whole process is repeated. सेकेंड इसका फंक्शन है कि भाई फूड कैप्चर के अंदर है, फूड कैप्चर. Tube feet are used to capture the prey. Suckers are used to open the shells of molluscas. कि सेल्स को ओपन के लिए बताया था कि वे सक्कर्स दोनों साइड अटैच हो जाते हैं और उसको ऐसे खींच लेते हैं अपनी तरफ. अटैचमेंट, अटैचमेंट. Starfish can be attached to the rock by the tube feet. तो ट्यूब फीट्स इसके अटैचमेंट के अंदर भी हेल्प करते हैं. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द वाटर वेस्कुलर सिस्टम ऑफ द starfish. This session is powered by digital version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.